request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Benton County, for northeastern Tarrant County, for southwestern Collin County, and northern Dallas County until 9:45. A severe thunderstorm is located over DFW Airport, over Grapevine, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. There are unconfirmed spotter reports of a possible tornado in that area as well. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Benton, northeastern Tarrant, southwestern Collin County, and northern Dallas County until 9:45. A severe thunderstorm located over DFW Airport, Grapevine, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. There are unconfirmed reports from Grapevine PD of a tornado on the ground in Grapevine near the Sam's Club. And we'll continue to monitor that. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the previous message.
We have seen this all morning long, that in any one moment, we could be looking at strong isolated wind gusts as well as quick spin up.
Programming is requested the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Benton County, northeastern Tarrant County, and northwestern Dallas County until 9:15. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Grapevine approximately 8 minutes ago, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This storm will be at Louisville, Carrollton, the Colony, also Coppell, within the next few minutes. Other locations impacted by this storm could include Grapevine Lake and Louisville Lake and portions of Interstate 35. Once again, a tornado warning issued for southeastern Benton, northeastern Tarrant, and northwestern Dallas County until 9:15. Numerous reports of a tornado sighted over Grapevine, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for West Central County in North Central Texas until 9:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:12 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near the Colony, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Plano and Frisco around 9:20 a.m. Central Standard Time. McKinney around 9:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. Allen and Prosper around 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Fairview around 9:35 a.m. Central Standard Time. Lowry Crossing around 9:40 a.m. Central Standard Time. Princeton and Melissa around 9:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include New Hope and Weston. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Reports of hail in the Mansfield area. This is Tarrant County, of up to about an inch.
are programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for west central Collin County until 9:45. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near the colony, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This storm can be near Plano and Frisco by 9:20, McKinney by 9:25, Allen and Prosper by 9:30, Fairview 9:35, Lowry Crossing at 9:40, the Princeton and Melissa areas by 9:45. Once again, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado has produced this tornado warning for West Collin County. There is a tornado potentially near the colony, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
What we saw out near DeSoto, but then
We are programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for northern Hunt County, southern Fannin County, and eastern Collin County until 10:30. The severe thunderstorm is located over Lowry Crossing, near McKinney, east of McKinney, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and a penny-sized hail. Some locations within the path of the storm could include Princeton, Farmersville, Lowry Crossing, Grove City, Celeste, and Trenton. Once again, severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hunt, eastern Collin County, and southern Fannin County until 10:30. Severe thunderstorm located over Lowry Crossing, east of McKinney, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour, 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, penny-sized hail possible with this storm. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Be very aware. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County, for southwestern Hunt County, for Kaufman County, and eastern Dallas County until 11 a.m. A severe thunderstorm is located over Bald Springs, moving east at 35 miles per hour. It has produced wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour in the past. This storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Locations impacted by this storm include sections of I-20, I-30, and I-45, along with areas in southeast Dallas County, Garland, Mesquite, Rowlett, Wiley, Rockwall, Kaufman, Heath, Sunnyvale, Wilmer, Ferris, and Combine. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County, for southwestern Hunt County, Kaufman County, and eastern Dallas County until 11 o'clock. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Weather outlook is proportionate to northern, western, central, and southern Oklahoma and western North Texas. Day 1, today and tonight, thunderstorms, severe thunderstorms. Orange, Interstate 35. These storms will move rapidly over the eastern throughout the morning before exiting the area by midday. Damaging with three tornadoes are possible in southeast Oklahoma. Today, Wednesday through Monday, no hazardous weather is expected. Get latest and more details at weather.com/Norman and follow our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook. Tornado watch number 581 remains in effect until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, following curfew in Oklahoma. Tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. From the Norman Forecast office, here is the forecast for Atoka and surrounding area. West of today, becoming mostly sunny this afternoon. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms late this morning. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Highs in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight, clear until midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. Cooler with lows in the upper 30s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Wednesday, partly sunny in the morning, then clearing. Cooler with highs in the lower 50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday night, clear, cold with lows in the lower 30s. West winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Cold with lows in the upper 20s. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid-40s. Friday night, mostly clear. Cold with lows in the mid-20s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. Saturday night, mostly clear until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Cold with lows in the upper 20s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs around 50. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers. Not as cool with lows in the upper 30s. Highs around 50. Chance of 30%. Your 10 a.m. weather observations. At Durant, rain was falling. The temperature was 54. The wind was northwest at 3. Sunny. The temperature was 55. The wind was west at 3. Observations from around the region. At Tulsa, rain was falling with a temperature of 57. Damage or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Honey Grove, Wall City, Roxton, Forest Hill, Ladonia, Bailey, Wyndham, Noble, Allens Point, Dial, Lake Trestle, Petty, Brookston, Tigertown, and Gilbert. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.